cough tea.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Patience. In today's video, I'm making a tea for cough. So share this video, save this video for later, go make yourself one. Remember, health is wealth, invest in your health. So for this recipe, I'm using ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, lemon peel, 1 tablespoon of cloves in your pot. Add 4 cups of water, put in all your ingredients, boil for 10 minutes, remove from heat, allow it to cool down a little bit, strain, then add your lemon juice, optional, stir, and your tea is ready. Healthy lifestyle, healthy living, healthy choices, healthy you. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful video. Follow for more. Love.